here is my weather application, which has taken from this tutorial, which was recommended, and it was quite easy to understand this tutorial because I have done some practices with the Node.js, so it's quite easy. And there was one problem with that Jyväskylä thing, but I will show it how I managed to do with alms. So I did first this simple one. This index.js is just for the weather app, which uses the command line. There was this kind of easier one and simpler one first, and the server.js is the application where I use Express, and I want one npm library called remove agents, which was good for this job to do. Like if I look Jyväskylä, it gives me an error, but if I do some tricks with this, then I can remove those alms. And this is good library because it takes all those alms. If I have like a German city or something where there is more of those different kind of characters. And okay, and I have this request, which we will use to do requests, and we have a .env here, which I use for the API key, because in this example that wasn't, but if I put this my code to the repository, it's better that I use this .env, and I have this env file here where I put all my secrets, and my secret is now this weather API key here, and I use Express, and here is where we make this Express app. And here is a body parser, which we use to parse those requests when we do the post. So this is for that. And here I put the API key to API key, and here I use this, like they said in example, public folder here where I put the styles, and we use this body parser, and this is says me that the body parser is deprecated. That's I had to look that further on what does it mean, but maybe you have better understanding for that. And here is AGS, which we use views in this example, and there is a get route to the root of the project. So if I go directly to the server, it runs there, and here is the post route. If I post the city name, it comes here, and here is the thing that removes those alms from the, for example, a Jyväskylä. So if I have accents in city name, then I remove those accents. I didn't use this city original, but it could be used if I want to use that original almost in UI, but I didn't do it. And here is the URL, and here is the request where we do request, and if you don't have an error, then it works. And here we use get this weather, and we JSON it, parse it, and then we put the information to here. So this is the index view where we put error if this city is undefined or weather is undefined, so it gives an error. And there is weather text where we use those weather things here. And I can test this application like so now it's running in port 3000, and if I use try it here, and I put here Hankasalmi, it tells me that it's 4.8 to 81 degrees in Hankasalmi, so it's current weather in here. And if I try the Jyväskylä, it works. And okay, the next thing was the Docker. I did some practice for the Docker last weekend, so but it's a quite new thing for me, so I need tutorial for this one too. So I found a good one. It was this. So I put this in my readme.md, but here is how Dockerizing Node.js web app, and this was very nice tutorial. I already have had this this package.js because I have built this app first, and I just needed to do Docker file with this introduction. But one thing was that I needed to choose another port, of course, because my application uses port 3000. Oh, I could change the application port to 8080, but I put it 3000. And I can show you the Docker file, which is here. No, this is the Docker in ignore, which is before I install things in, because I don't want to put Node modules or npm debug log into the container. So, but the Docker file is here, and it uses Node 40 image and base image, and work data is here. So it's src ape, and I copy here this package.json which I have here, to the container. Then I run npm install, and then I copy all code into the container and expose port 3000. And here is the command which starts the server. And I can test this here. I've already done it, but I can test it here, how it works. So I use my name and node web app dot. Okay, and because I had this node in my computer already, so it works now. And after that, I just run this container with this command. So I run in this kind of port 49160, and this is the application port, but this port is what I can use in my computer or outside the world. And here is the image name. So I run it, and I can see my container list here. So it's up and running, and I can test it with curl, of course. And it gives me this code, of course, but it's better test with the real browser. So it seems to work. And if I put Hankasalm here, okay, it gives me answer. And if I put here null, it gives me that I have to fill this. So it works. And I think that's about it. That's my assignment. Second assignment. So thank you all for watching.